Well, it's getting close to that time of year where you're going to start getting shipments in for Christmas and such. So it might be a good idea to find a way where you can monitor the outdoors and see if somebody's getting your packages and at least inform the mail. So today we have the Panasonic HomeHawk window monitoring camera. That way we can monitor the outdoors from the comfort of the living room 24/7. Let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for this video. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on if you like receiving notifications. Today we are reviewing a window monitoring camera by Panasonic. We're definitely excited to be partnered with Panasonic for this video, so make sure to use the links in the description. It definitely helps out a lot. So I've seen a lot of security style cameras and I've got to say this one is the easiest to use. All you need to be up and operating out of the box is a memory card and the app downloaded to your smartphone or tablet. And after setting up the app, it's pretty much ready to go. You just find out where you want to put it and then you can start recording or getting alerts and all sorts of cool features. And when setting up, you don't have to worry about any battery life. It plugs into a regular wall outlet. Attaching it to the window is done by using a suction cup method. Sealing it to the glass using the seal lock switch on the back of the camera. As you can see with this glass piece demonstration, it goes onto the glass really simple. Once you get the camera set up and ready to go, you also have a back piece that will protect ports like the memory card from any dust or objects that might touch it on the back. Other than attaching it to the window, everything else is pretty much done inside of the app. I usually like to set it to record when I get a person notification. And it detects people, guys, not cars. You can avoid unnecessary motion alerts. The person detection technology sees people and filters it out. You can even set a custom detection area so you have even more control. So doing settings like this only record when detections are made. And that definitely helps on saving memory. Now we are working with a full 1080p image. So you get a clear, glare-free view of day and night with high definition 1080p recorded, featuring a 150-degree wide angle view. So you can definitely expect this to be a lot better than your average 720p camera. Not to mention, it's also Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. So you don't have to worry about any storage fees or contracts. Everything saves to the memory card and uses the Panasonic app. So if you're looking for an easy way to monitor from a window without having to stand in front of it all day, this is definitely a product I would recommend you to check out. I've truly been enjoying it and using it to get alerts when cars and mail carriers pass by while I work on my computer from the comfort of my room. We have our links located in the description if you'd like to check out the HomeHawk camera by Panasonic. I totally love having it and we would definitely recommend you to check it out. It's got our approval. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and get those comments no matter where you're seeing this video at. Get in those comments, start interacting, get in the community. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.